today told me that he was gonna have some mojitos. So I promised him that I will make some for my wife and myself. I will film it and I will send it to him. So what the heck? I'm filming it for everyone to see. So here we go, a mojito from Cuba. Recall! Anyway, what we need is fresh mint. In this case, we have it outside. So you need, for each drink, about 10 leaves of fresh mint, and we need lime, 3 pieces of lime for each drink. We need 2 tablespoons of white sugar, and of course we need white rum. We need white rum. Don't go with the spicy rum or anything like that. It doesn't taste good. This is the right rum, the white rum, and ice and club soda. So how do we do it? Well, first we're gonna grab about 10 of these guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And we're gonna use one of the pieces of lime, and we're gonna put it in, and then we're gonna use the muddler, you know. We're gonna start squeezing so that the oils from the mint comes out. So you can really smell it. Mint! Done. We will add the other 2 pieces of wine, 1 and 2, and the sugarini. And we will continue. Oils from the mint is what is the secret of all this mojito. I don't know why every time I say mojito, it just comes to it, you know. But anyway. So, once we are well with this, we will add about a cup of ice, you know. And the very important, now here's the deal. It calls for a 1.5 ounces of white rum. I like mine a little on the low side. No, I like mine a little more rum to it. So I put 2 ounces of white rum. So here goes 1. And a pinch. I was counting. Anyway, and 2, okay? And then we're going to mix this a little. God. And now we will add the club soda. Supposed to be about also a cup, or just fill it up. I like to fill it up like so, all the way to there. And we just put like this and garnish with a little bit of mint. My God. Delicious. Salud, my dear friend Mark.